store. So the Kickoff online store is where you guys can purchase some ebooks, and you guys can use your Kickoff credit, which is the $750. You guys use your $750 to purchase these different things like the ebooks and things like that, so that you can have enough time so that they can report to the credit bureaus, because it only just extend the time they're going to report to the credit bureaus. Now, I showed you guys the Kickoff store. So again, it's under the Kickoff credit. Go ahead and click on there, Kickoff store, and here it is right here. If you guys were to get the Kickoff credit builder services, then they're going to report for 8 months to the credit bureaus, and you're going to pay $4.75 per month. They have ebooks here that you guys can purchase, and they used to have, like, they have more. Let's go ahead and click on see more, because they have some on here. Like, it seemed like the longest that these are going to report is 4 months. They used to be longer than that. Now, if you guys just want them to start reporting, you just want to see a quick boost to your credit score, then maybe you guys want to just get one of these 10 months, or maybe get this 12 months, let it do it for a year, and you'll be good. But don't go too crazy. Just get something, just get it started. And like I told you guys, I don't do anything too major with my account. If you can see right here, here's my Kickoff balance. I owe $15 to them. I pay $2 per month. That's what I've been paying when I set this up. So yeah, when I set this up, this is how much I've been paying. It's a $50 account. They're reporting to the credit bureaus. They're reporting it to Equifax and Experian. Then the next closing date is going to be on the 27th. I opened this account. Dang. I opened this last year. Wow. I must have added something on. I think I added something on. I'd had to have. But I had the account for a while, and it's still reporting to the credit bureau. So don't go too crazy on this. Do not go too crazy on it. When you get something from a store, just get something so that they can report to the credit bureaus, and just leave it at that. You are not trying to keep this account. This is not this is not Discover. This is not Navy Federal. This is not Flagship. This is just an account that you want them to report, so that you can boost your credit score, so that you can go to the accounts that you really go and get the accounts that